eat you up. Please don't eat me. Wait for my big brother, the great big Billy Goat Gruff. He's much bigger than I am. Oh, very well then. Be off with you.
The middle-sized Billy Goat Gruff ran away and ate the sweet green grass. The great big Billy Goat Gruff began to cross the bridge. He was big and mean and hungry. He went trip, trap over the bridge.
Who's that crossing over my bridge? Tis I, the great big Billy Goat Gruff. I'm going to come eat you up.
He climbed up onto the bridge. Great big Billy Goat Gruff stopped still. Down went his horn. He rushed the troll. He butted him once, twice, 3 times. The troll tumbled off the bridge, down, into the deep water under the bridge. The great big Billy Goat Gruff went trip, trap over the bridge and up